And we got ourselves a diesel. See that? Yellow back, LNG, CNG, diesel, no yellow. And apparently somebody didn't catch that on Friday. Don't worry, I got it. I gotta do my job well. All right, let's do it. Good morning, hot dogs. Welcome back to the phone. We're doing it real big at work. Let's pick up some trash. I'm not sure what this is about. We're gonna try and remove it. No customizations on city trucks. There you go. Time to check out the inside. Let's turn on the light. Why is the screen in here? Oh my gosh, it looks so old.
Oh my god, this thing is so old.
Yeah, this is the only truck that has this screen for the cameras over here. It's normally up here. I don't know what's going on. So we got the running lights, the headlights, and I'm gonna turn on the mirror defroster because it helps me keep the mirrors clean when they're warmed up. I'm gonna put that up because I like to use the cross view mirror, which is right there, and I don't like that. It just gets in the way. It doesn't bother me if it's up. That's better. Look at the PTO setup. It's so big and bulky and old. Did I mention she looks old? Yeah. And you go. Alright, let's check if the arm is working and the packer. So good so far. The display is actually telling me that the packer is working. Upper retracted. Over here, this is how you make 80K. I don't know why it's full of water. It hasn't rained. Good thing we're going to a landfill first. I see 90 grand. 90 grand a year. Well, that was a little loud. What I was trying to say is that I was checking my that the clamps were working properly, the arm, and I saw a lot of maggots back there. But that's how you make 80K a year, dealing with maggots and trash. That's right, boys and girls. If you work for the LA Sanitation Department, want to drive a garbage truck, you can make 80K. Oh, that's without overtime. Me myself, with overtime last year, well over 6 figures. Just saying. College isn't for everyone. It wasn't for me, that's for sure. It's crazy how you could go into 200,000 student loan debt, but they won't let you 50 grand to start your own business. Oh yeah, that's right. It's because student loan debt, you can't put it in a bankruptcy. If it quacks like a scam, it's probably a scam. When the government were so nice to secure student loan debt, the prices of tuition skyrocketed. It's too expensive. All I'm saying is do college responsibly, financially responsibly. Last week we were dumping up there. Today we're dumping down here. Did my clean out. Disgusting. Let's make sure that the latched on. This one. And the natter side. Nothing hanging like this morning. And I did my clean out over here. Disgusting. 80K, 80K. Looks like we're all done here at the dump. Let's go to the route. I'm sharing my salary. What a big secret. You can just FOIA request it because I'm a public servant. I work for the government. It's called Freedom of Information Act. Yeah. Anyways, this truck was not made for aerodynamics, so I have my windows down. It's getting a little toasty. I get no wind coming in here unless I'm turning. It's not even going to be a hot day today, but I'm already getting toasty in here. Uh-oh, where's my fan? I got none. But I do have AC. This one has a high and low, and only the high is working, which is good. I'd rather have the high and not the low versus the low and not the high. So it's a little cold, so I'm not facing it to me, but it's blowing cold, thank God. It's getting toasty in here because I'm right next to the motor and whatnot. So over here we got a brand new SUV electric Hummer, a G-Wagon, and Bronco. Do you guys know me enough? Do you know me well enough yet? Which one of the three would I prefer? The Bronco, the G-Wagon, or the electric Hummer SUV? Comment down below, press pause, because I'm about to tell you. The G-Wagon, big old V8. It's not even the regular G-Wagon, it's the 4x4 square. What does that mean? That means I could probably crawl right under it because it is high. Look at that. You could literally crawl under it. That's so cool. And then with the electric vehicles, you know, you're gonna get range anxiety. I don't like that. And that Sasquatch, it's probably a Sasquatch. I'm not sure. It's not an R. I don't think it's an R. But even if it is, it's a V6. I'd rather get the V8. Yeah. Time to collect some cans. This truck is really loud. Diesel. It needs to retract, it needs to be flush. Let's fix that. All I need to do is push it out and bring it back in. Oh, that's better. Working. Yes, there it is. It's working. Cool. Do you guys see that? Low hanging wire? Yeah, it's hard to see. I saw it on when I was coming from that end this way, but I'm gonna show you. You probably can't see it yet. Let's zoom in. It's not those two. That one is low hanging. So yeah, we got to report those, and hopefully they fix it soon. See, it doesn't look like it's going to be a problem, but it is, especially if you hug that corner right there to go that way. It's right there. Not a lot of traffic here. Let me get off. truck. Yeah, that's an issue. Alright, I'm picking up black garbage. Green waste already passed by. Why did he miss this can? By the way, I would miss it too, because look at that. How are the clamps supposed to grab that can without grabbing all the branches? And when you dump the can, all the branches that the clamp caught, they're coming back up, back down, and making a mess. Don't do this. What's in the brown can? Comment down below if you know. You're familiar with black, blue, and green, but this is brown. More brown cans. Here's a clue what's in there. Well, we got ourselves a challenge. Don't do this, that's for sure. I should tag it, but let's take it slow. If I do it at normal speed, I'm risking that the trash will go all the way, well, at least the top of the trash, and jump all the way across and land on the other side of my truck. Happened before, so that's why we don't do it. Lunchtime, let's go get some lunch. Alright my guys, we're over here at the Habit. This is all I can afford, but at least it has guac. Look at that. String close up. Whoa. And when I say this is all I can afford, what I mean is like this is what I feel comfortable spending. This is 11 bucks with tax. Just under 11 bucks. Here's water. Back in the days in high school, I remember the Big Mac meal was $3.24. This is way better than a Big Mac, so plus I'm fat, so I guess it helps that I didn't get fries. Is this a food review channel? This channel is everything fun. Let's take a big old bite. 5 out of 5. I put a jalapeno on there. So I said no tomatoes, no pickles. Has guac, cheese, double patty, double cheese, lettuce, grilled onions, and probably mayonnaise. Habit Grill, my new heavy favorite, Santa Barbara charbroiled burgers, double, awesome. So this place is awesome. This is gonna be my go-to on Mondays. Almost empty. There was a few people in here when I got in here that have clean restrooms, AC, clean, like it. And back to work. LA all day. I'm all done, you guys. Couldn't film my last can. It was too congested. Unsafe. We need some diesel over here. How many gallons am I gonna need? I'm gonna guess 40. That's gonna take a while, so while I wait, I'm gonna do part of my post trip. Well, I guess 40. It's now at 43 almost. 46. I've been on CNG for a little while, I guess. I was off. That's it, my guys. Had to ride her up. Loud noise coming from the air intake. A couple of lights, and that's it. Just shut her down. That's it for today, my guys. If you're enjoying the fun shows by using your thumb, like, share, and subscribe. Hit the like button and smash it. Do what you gotta do. Comment if you like. Bye.